Want to change the looks of Minecraft from something like that to something like this? Well, if you want to, then all you have to do is follow some simple steps. First, head over to this website, and from here just download the Modrinth app, install and run it. Once the app is open, click on the Steve icon on the top left and click on the button next to Not Signed In. From there, just sign into your Microsoft account. You should see your skin on the top left instead of the Steve icon after you sign in. Now just click on the search icon on the left side and search for Reconsole. Click on it, then select the install option. From there, just wait until it's installed. Then click on Library on the side and click on Reconsole. From there, click on Play and then wait for it to open. This is how it would look like when you open it. Also note that with this mod, controller support is also included. Click on OK. As you can see, it says controller detected. Now just make a world and play. I'm gonna name the world Test. As you can see, it also has the controller user interface. To get the legacy console graphics, just open the options. From there, click on Settings, then Graphics. From there, scroll to the bottom where you can add resource packs. Select everything other than the Fallout and the high contrast one. As you can see, it even has the same crafting menu. Let's dig down and get some stones to craft more items. Now let's get back up. Wait, what? How is there emeralds here? Is it rare? No way, I just found emerald like 3 blocks under the surface. And now this is how the achievements menu looks like with this mod installed. Anyways, that's it for this video. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next video.